Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make caramel using brown sugar full guide. Begin by measuring 1 cup brown sugar, 1/4 cup butter, and 1/2 cup heavy cream. Heat sugar with a pinch of salt over medium, stirring until melted and amber. Slowly whisk in butter then cream, simmer briefly, cool slightly, and store in a jar. Taste and adjust salt if needed. Start by gathering ingredients and tools so you can cook without rushing. Use a heavy saucepan for even heat and a sturdy spatula for stirring. Keep a candy thermometer nearby to check temperatures, though visual cues will also guide you. Prep your cream and butter at room temperature to reduce splatter when added. Clear space on the counter and a cool jar ready for storing finished caramel. Begin by melting sugar gently, stirring to encourage even caramelization without burning. Watch for a deep amber color and a toasty aroma before adding butter, then whisk until smooth. When cream goes in, pour slowly to control bubbling and maintain texture. Simmer just long enough to thicken slightly, then remove from heat and cool a bit before jarring. Taste and add a pinch of salt if you want a balanced sweet profile.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.